Hello, this is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can connect your AirPods with your iPhone 15. Could be AirPod 1, 2, 3 or any other version. The process will be the same. Here we have iPhone 15. In this case, we have to slide down from the top. We have to check the Bluetooth option. Go inside. Touch and hold and go more inside. You have to activate. If any case, if your Bluetooth is not activated, it's not gonna work. So activate your Bluetooth option. All the available device you will see here. So normally if you open your AirPod, not your AirPod, here you see is appear. So very easy, hit connect in this case. Now it's telling you have to hold the button here, this one. AirPod is connected. As you see, Harry's AirPod is connected perfectly. Very simple. You can do this to any iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Okay, let me put a song to listen. I go to YouTube. Put a song. Take the AirPod out. See here. It's fine. Now listening song into the AirPod I put in the speaker. So it's working fine. Slide down. Here you see AirPod option. So it's playing into the AirPod. It's connected properly. So this is the way you can connect AirPods to your iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.